Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Camaro, Chevrolet Camaro 2013 model today, and we have installed its conventional radio. We have removed the conventional radio and installed Android screen in this car. As you can see, this is a beautiful car, same like the Bumblebee in the Transformers. Here, first of all, we have this climate. This is also digital now. Before the car has only manual conventional climate control buttons. Now it's digital. It can be operated from the app as well. Here you can see air conditioner as well. We can activate this from here as well, and from the here as well. You can see everything is changing, like we can change the climate zones. Everything is available digital or with from the analog buttons as well. In the screen, first of all, we have this home menu. We have some applications. We can modify the home menu as well. There are lots of themes in the car, and we can change the theme according to your taste. From the apps, if we take on this arrow, if you tap this arrow here, the application menu. In application menu, we have, as I told you, we have some themes, voice, weather, air controls, CarMate, lots of other applications. You can download applications from the Play Store as well. Here is the Play Store. You can download all kinds of Android applications from the Play Store. The Play Store works with the internet, so we have installed 2 USB slots and 1 SIM card slot here for the internet. Here you can see, so you can use your normal USB or use data SIM to use internet. For YouTube, for example, we have YouTube application as well. This works with the internet. You need to give internet to the screen via USB or with the help of SIM card, or with the help of Wi-Fi. So here we have T-Link 5. This is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto function. Both are wireless, and we have connected our screen with the iPhone. My iPhone is connected, as you can see. So here are the iPhone applications. So WhatsApp and all other applications from your mobile phone appears here. If you have an Android mobile phone, so your Android Auto will work wirelessly here on the car. Here you can see. So right now I have Waze in my phone, so here you can see Waze is working. If you want to use the normal maps, here is the normal map. We have the Google Maps as well installed. So here you can see that's the Apple CarPlay, both connected wirelessly. It has Android Auto as well if you want to use Android Auto if you have an Android mobile phone. So that's the home menu. From home menu, again, you can change lots of widgets, same like on your mobile phone. It is totally compatible with the car combat system as well. Like this car has the Boston Premium sound system, so we have connected the same system with the car, and everything is working. As you can see, this car has a very beautiful sound system, as you can see. So here's the, I have muted the volume to not get copyright. So you can watch video as well while driving. Here is the video app. So right now I have a video, so you can use this app while driving. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.